This video is made adult collectors for age 30+. Viewer description is advised. What's up, Decepticons fans? It is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to the Michael unboxing. So today we're going to take a closer look. Is a Blokees Transformers Classic Class Megatron from the Dark of the Moon movie. I always wanted that. This is a really size is medium, which means the M. I don't know what this is talking about for this Lazada for this order, and it's the for my app store, whatever. So I'm gonna this one 92 pieces of this one is age 40+. Alright, this is not this is a concept that I really don't want to see any Dark in the Moon movies and all. I really this don't. I'm gonna buy for this last December in this for the Jetwing Optimus Prime from the Dark in the Moon for reasons. So we're gonna Blokees logos, then the Blokees logos, Transformers franchise logos, and with shiny color rainbow for this. So looks so good, like a silver, and I guess no brush, no glue, and no cutter require something. We got this there's the constant manual instruction, there's manual, and we got all about the logo. I don't know why, but this is coming out here. So let's go inside for the box from the to the left. Whatever, and this is the image for the Megatron. It looks so good. The orange truck model looks so great, but this is, I don't know how much the nothing in the unpainted official, the outdate for the painting for the Megatron. This is the Decepticons logo for the Bay version, and we got the, oh my goodness, and we got the so this is the shotgun for the accessories, and we got this one, and we guys see this images from the Blokees Transformers Dark of the Moon. That looks so amazing. To the right one, I don't know. So back of the packaging, that's not even a manual. This one, the oil truck mode for this Megatron version, and this we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 pieces of set. Yeah, this is gonna be so cool. And then Megatron with the moving soon. I can't wait for the STARSCREAM for the Bay version. I don't know why it happens that there's nothing here for the Blokees and the Ratchet. There's nothing out for the from the side swipe for there's nothing coming out for this. And inside with the Megatron, the images for this was so badass. It's so good, and there's nothing here. If you do like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, and notification bells for the notify for the latest videos. Alright, let's get it started. Open it. So I'm gonna just one with the stickers on the inside for this middle on this one. So we got a mini cutter again. I don't know. I should appreciate it for this. I watched the TF1, I mean Transformers 1. It's so cool. I don't watch the Bay version anymore, but this is some reason for the Michael Bay version. I don't know why. So this, oh, so silky. What this do? Oh, this is 8 pieces of set. Wait. Oh wow. So this is Megatron. For this, the images look so good. Oh, another one for this extraction for this LED lights for this one here. So I gotta fix this one. I hope it's when it's not working out, or that does not work. Okay, so this packaging here, the Blokees Transformers Dark of the Moon, with this one here for this. You get this extraction manual. You get the pictures of the pieces of this one, like this one here, as gonna see here. Look at this. Oh hell, Megatron! Hey, that's one pretty good. It was like the other one. This is the head, arms, legs, crouch, the body, the LED lights. This is what doesn't make sense. Decepticons logo from the Bay version. It's really actually this one. Oh, this is the back of the shotgun. This is Cybertron and shotgun. This the chronic fire looks so good. Anyways, this one, I don't know what this is talking about. So this is a really this you get the right one for this the peg one. So I'm gonna see this for this pieces of this. So this is the one okay. So this one here. Oh wait, how much is that one to be for this? Oh, 9 pieces. 9 pieces one. So look at the 9 pieces are. Okay, so let's get them open this one. So let's get started here. Oh shoot, it might work. Alright guys, I'm finishing with the Megatron building from the Dark of the Moon classic version. So I'm gonna using with the Megatron. It looks pretty good for this, like better than the Bayverse version of the Megatron 1 version. This looks like the pretty. It looks like that in every single with oil truck mode, and they armor up the pieces of this chest, the torso, crunch. But this one is nothing gonna crunch with apps. That is not down this round. This looks pretty good. And then the four claws and this the fingers, the four hands. So I need 4 fingers. This one there's a little bit of the moving the fingers. The panel shoulders with the panel shoulders, and just like the pulling on the hands of on the right side for the peg, and then so you put a shotgun. This is exactly for this Cybertron and shotgun for the Megatron. And it looks the 3D design is not in the color pink, but it looks like the outdated version of this picture. That's nothing with the silver or whatever, the rusty, the dust, and then that's one with draft, but whatever. So this Megatron is the nothing out of this painting version of this Bayverse 1 of Megatron. It just looks like that. Anyway, single day look. So these glowing eyes looks so good, and it's glowy eyes here. It looks pretty exciting for those painting details. And the print version of this, not understanding the quiet, but this the brownish gray that is looks like the green version of the Unique Toys Desperado. I don't know why it actually looks like the oil truck mode for the non-transformation. They defeat. This is looks like 4 tires and then 4 pieces of something's missing of the. I don't know what actually does the fingers or the 4 fingers on the left side. Yeah, this is a really looks like claw version. Yeah, this is the armored one. The panels. This one the moving on the back on that. That's not gonna change. Alright, I'm gonna this to the really so much really. This looks like kind of pretty fine. It looks disappointed. I don't know actually what happened to the brownish gray version of the Megatron. Something that looks like the Yellow Park MK miniseries Wave 3 Megatron. The green version looks awful. I don't know when this one actually. So we're gonna put this shotgun with the Megatron on the right hand or something for this showing of the putting on the oh wow. Something that looks amazing, the Africa version of these movie scenes, a CG by industrial, like, you know, then I don't know what this is called. So like this is one the shotgun putting on. It looks pretty badass and looks so really damn good. Anyway, the single, it just looks the shotgun that's out of posing this, and this movie is not a really pink color details in this one. They actually this is the posing with this video. I'm looking at the back and the body, and you can see the pipe in the back on here, and we got the so I'm gonna try this the 4 tires, and it's not a real painting job by the Blokees. I mean, it looks like that. And anyway, single and the stand base. This stand base, the silver acrylic fire looks like the yellow version of the Bumblebee or whatever, Rise of the Beast, and it looks like that. We gotta put this today. It looks like same the Jetwing Optimus Prime. Yeah, it was so I don't know what is the same thing with other license like Dark in the Moon version. Anyway, this one the looks same, had the flames, fire, it looks so good. Anyways, then it looks like that, and we gotta see. I'm gonna try this. It looks like that. So let's try to making the holster back on with the chain, the holster of this one. Let's get it make it on. Okay guys, I'm finishing with the making of the hoodie and cape with the Lego chain, chest, whatever. So this is one the Megatron, the version of Dark in the Moon version, the actual movie. I see this is the actual movie. It looks like the CGI movies. It looks like comparison. The cape with hoodie and the Lego chain. This is chain mode. I'm gonna fight, but this one is the missing one. I have before there's no way Lego bricks, and this is called Lego chain one. So I'm gonna using this what about the mixing this the two different kind of pink, like the lilac and yellow art career, whatever. I don't know. So let's get to make it started for this day. The Megatron design looks so absolutely insane. That looks pretty cool. I don't know what the hoodie problem is. You got to remove the hoodie one. They carry the one of the hoodie one. They say the problem is the fabric. I'm using the fabric. There's the mocha. I don't know what is the color of this one. The awful version of this one. The all this hoodie. Then it's making it so awful. And you guys see the holster with the paint. I used them back on the super glue. This really oily glue, whatever. So there's the back of the shotgun, and you guys know what is going on here. So this paint awful. I'm really disappointed for this one that we got to see in the back. So put it in. Oh my god, this is so really ridiculous. This is so amazing, this figure. So we got the Lego chain. The problem is not on putting it this is not a size one. Anyways, as you can see, that's not a really good, not an actual really good for the Lego. So I guess that really disappointed there, but I don't know why. But you guys see the Megatron with the back of the holster, and it looks like the unique Toys Explorato and the yellow part, and it came in the series wave 3 version. I don't know what happened to the Blokees and this, not to making the holster back into the shotgun. Anyway, so this chain that looks really not that good one, but it's so fine. It's pretty fine, whatever. I'm gonna this they are no actually here for the cape one. So look at the fabric of this one. I'm making the fabric with the cape hoodie. You got nothing. Anyways, then that's the hoodies one that looks so awful. I'm really disappointed for this one, but it's so okay. It's so fine. I don't know what actually the Megatron. It looks like actual movie ones. Anyways, actually this one. So I took away some time. So we got for the head one, and we got this side by side. We got this one. Up and down. There's this one a little bit, and it does the white arms. Alright, we got the panel, the up and down for the panel, shoulders and armor, and we got the oh wow, that's just Lego chain. It looks awful. Can we remove this? I don't know actually. It looks the air feeder. Okay, we got up and down. Let's say side by side. This rotation. There's nothing in the rotation there. This Lego chain, this looks awful. Anyways, I'm gonna make it for mistakes today. The elbows, they swivel. They swivel, nothing rotation. That doesn't look like it's difficulty. And I got the up and down the elbow. And we got this one, the hands on these fingers, with up and down. This side by side. That's not side by side with this thumb finger. That's a thumb finger. I kind of remove this. I need up and down, just slowly. This is the armor panels. So this one, the peg one. This put the shotgun here. So I gotta see. There's nothing gonna comfort, and I'm really disappointed for this Lego chain. This one, there's nothing gonna awfully chain. It's chest, and you got the crown. Okay, so the left one, we got they got the panel. We got the up and down to the left. So what are you gonna do? Up and down, up and down, side by side, up and down, side by side. Rotation there. Oh, I gotta see that's elbow, up and down. So this one will swivel, side by side. Anyways, the finger claw. This was called finger claw. So we gotta remove this one. Okay, so I get this one, the up and down. So the problem with this same one, this one is up and down. The fingers, there's the many fingers to crawl. Okay, whatever. I don't know what actually this one. To crouch these one, so swivel with the up and down. It looks so really good. I don't know actually the crunch, the abs, and this the torso, the back of the torso. This one and this one, it looks the hip skirts, and it looks so good. Anyways, and the legs one, the right one. So we got to go up and side by side, the up and down. It looks pretty. The shoulders, shoulders one. It's up and down. That's nothing the side by side. That's the one. The feet, the up and down. Side by side, the swivel. Anyways, the swivel looks like that. Okay, we're gonna actually in this one. We get the legs, the left one, the side by side, up and down. We get the shoulders and then up and down. With nothing to swivels and I guess. Anyways, feet one, the left, up and down, the side by side, little this one a little bit. Anyway, rotation. This is like I really don't know. Actually, don't like the Lego chain, but this looks pretty awful. I guess this is nothing. So the rotation. So look at rotation. The problem is the Lego chain. I don't know what actually it is. That's not the Megatron. This one. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna make it this one. I don't know actually where to do this one to put it. Alright, we're gonna put the whole one. Anyway, I kind of really so much the worst the cape we've ever seen. I don't know what actually doesn't make it looks like the actual movie and the CG version and the live action. Anyway, so we got the size comparison. So what's the size comparison one? Yes, I'm gonna real size comparison with the Jetwing Optimus Prime for the Dog on the Moon. It's fighting with the rivals, and that's nothing on the bubble yet. It will be a promise. Will be next one. This looks like the Jetwing Optimus Prime to fight the Megatron. I can't wait for the Sentinel Prime version, but the Bayverse version. Anyways, so look at this. Nothing the always size comparison with the Megatron, the Dog on the Moon. There's nothing the painting details. So it's not great, but it's pretty fine. It is a paint job for this Lego chain that doesn't look like hoodie with the cape. I don't know actually that looks like that. Okay, I'm gonna put a rating for this Megatron Classic Class Dog on the Moon is a 7.5 out of 10. It looks pretty good. But the torso looks problem. Anyway, the crunchy, that's not the crunch of the torso, and it's not the shiny silver with the face. The all truck mode, the brownish gray that they don't know actually do there. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that this from anyways, there's something that looks pretty good. This figures I'm making actually love with this figures from this one. The model kits look so good. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like it and subscribe to my channel, notification bells for the notified for the latest videos. Follow us on social medias, and you guys see it for me next when the Blokees Classic Class or whatever something that making some more updated content in the future. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy and see you on my next video. Bye, peace.